Hello, please provide a couple of ingredients you want to use for a recipe, and I will come up with a couple of ideas for you.
I have chicken, lime, spinach, and broccoli.
Okay, I can certainly help you with that. Based on those ingredients, here are 6 recipe ideas you can make. 1. Lime grilled chicken salad with spinach and broccoli, grilled chicken with a zesty lime marinade, served over a bed of fresh spinach and steamed broccoli. This is a light and refreshing meal, perfect for a quick lunch or dinner. 2. Chicken and broccoli stir-fry with lime. Bite-sized pieces of chicken and broccoli, florets, stir-fried in a flavorful lime-infused sauce. This is a quick and easy dish that can be served with rice or noodles. 3. Creamy lime chicken with spinach and broccoli. Chicken simmered in a creamy lime sauce, mixed with wilted spinach and tender broccoli. This is a comforting and flavorful dish that pairs well with mashed potatoes or pasta. 4. Chicken and broccoli quesadillas with lime crema. Grilled chicken and broccoli with melted cheese between tortillas, topped with a zesty lime crema. This is a fun and customizable meal that's great for kids and adults alike. Which recipe would you like to try?
Chicken and broccoli stir fry, please.
Great choice! The chicken and broccoli stir-fry with lime is a quick and delicious option. Before we dive into the recipe, do you want to make any changes based on the ingredients you have available, or do you want to add anything to the recipe?
Yes, make sure to use fresh limes.
Okay, using fresh limes will definitely enhance the flavor of the stir-fry. Here's the recipe with fresh limes in mind. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 large head of broccoli cut into florets, 2 fresh limes, 1 for juice and 1 for zest, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 teaspoon ginger, grated, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, salt and pepper to taste, cooked rice or noodles for serving instructions. Do you have any questions about the ingredients or instructions before we get started?
Yes, what's the best way to zest a lime?
That's a great question. The best way to zest a lime is to use a microplane or a zester. These tools allow you to remove the flavorful outer layer of the lime without digging into the bitter white pith underneath. Here's how to do it. First, wash the lime thoroughly under cool water to remove any dirt or residue. Second, hold the lime firmly in one hand and the microplane or zester in the other. Third, gently run the microplane or zester along the surface of the lime, applying light pressure. Rotate the lime as you go, being careful to only remove the colored part of the peel. Finally, continue zesting until you've removed the desired amount of zest. Alternatively, if you don't have a microplane or zester, you can use a vegetable peeler to remove wide strips of the lime peel. Then, use a knife to finely chop the strips into small pieces. However, this method is more likely to include some of the bitter white pith, so be careful not to cut too deep. Does that help clarify things?
Yes. Let's get started.
Wonderful. Let's begin with the first step. In a small bowl, whisk together lime juice, soy sauce, honey, sesame oil, garlic, ginger, and cornstarch. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Do you have any questions about this step, like why we are including each of these ingredients?
Yes, what does the cornstarch do?
That's a great question. The cornstarch acts as a thickening agent for the sauce. When heated, the cornstarch granules swell and create a smooth, glossy texture. This helps the sauce cling to the chicken and broccoli, adding body and richness to the dish. If you were to skip the cornstarch, the sauce would be thinner and more watery, which would not coat the chicken and broccoli as effectively. Some people may use flour as a substitute, but cornstarch is preferred because it creates a clearer and glossier sauce. Are you ready to move on to the next step?
Yes.
Okay, great. Step 2 is heat vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add chicken and cook until browned and cooked through. Do you have any questions about this step?